Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone. And this is Bob's equipment from New York, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool cordless telephone equipment. Now we want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done. We have a note with this equipment. Bob sent in two handsets. They're both registered to this base. One of them is for the base unit, and one handset uses a satellite charger. Now both handsets have an issue. Neither one of the handsets are transmitting. So in other words, any party they would talk to would not be able to hear them. So we need to troubleshoot the handset units. And I want to go ahead and show you one of the handsets if you've never seen the inside of one of these units. That gives you a look at the PC board. And we need to troubleshoot the PC boards to both handsets. So we will take care of that issue. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on these handsets. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of these two General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone handsets, and we want to go ahead and start our final checkout. Now we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So there is an issue. This is a cordless telephone, and so basically cordless telephones interchange frequencies, and that RF power can interfere with an open amplifier, and we will show you that during the final checkout. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a couple times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to go ahead and walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation with transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now what we can do is go ahead and give you some dial tone. We'll dial a 2 and cause the dial tone to go away, and we'll show you the radio frequency or the RF power that we were talking about. So that's the disturbance RF power can cause on an open amplifier. Now what we want to do is check out our second handset. So we'll go ahead and use the analyzer again and send another ring cycle. We'll let that go a couple times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We'll go ahead and walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We're going to end in a 2. Now we're going to check the transmit. If you watch that red light like earlier, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that these two handsets are ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. Both units have transmit and both units have receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Tuesday, June 9th. The current time, 4:20 p.m. and the temperature, 90 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. Now what we can do is use the second handset and we'll call my number and it'll be busy. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone with two handsets has been repaired, we can return these units back to Bob and he can enjoy this equipment once again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.